So now you've created some basic content in Diva. The next step is to customize some of these playouts. So now what we're looking at is the playout that we made in the introduction video for Diva. And now I'm going to make some changes to this. I'm going to add apps to it, and I'm also going to change around where these apps are positioned. So everything that we did previously was on the basic page of the playout. But what I'm going to do is go into edit mode. So if I click edit here, this will take you into edit mode. And now if I open up one of these apps, you'll see that there are several more properties that you can change. So we're going to work on these one by one. But first what I'm going to do is actually add an app. So these are all the apps that come with the interface. And I'm going to add a digital clock app to it, so I want to show the time. So I'll just take this and drag it up to the preview area. And now that is a new app in our playout. Then any app that you have, when you're in edit mode, you can click and drag inside of it to move it around, and you can click and drag the edges to resize it. Also keep in mind that these apps can't be overlapping. That's why you see a red outline on the media app and the digital clock app. So I'm just gonna make sure that those aren't overlapping by making this one a bit shorter. All right, good. Now I'm gonna edit the properties for this one so it looks a bit more similar, like change the font type, font color, things like that. So let's do 7 segment. I like that better. You can change the time zone if you'd like, but I'm just gonna keep it as is. I don't want 24-hour format. So now it says 4:44 p.m. The color, I'm gonna change it so that it matches that of the weather text color. So we'll do white. I'm gonna enable the separator pulse. I like that. Let's keep that. And then if you want, you can change the background color of the app or dial back the opacity or scale it up. I'll just scale it up just a bit. Oh, too much. There we go. All right, so now I've got our digital clock app set up. If you want to, you can also change the properties of the existing apps. For instance, I could change the font type of my ticker along the bottom. And then once you're done, you can click OK. And now this is my new app. Oh, let's see. And if I hit save, since this is live content, it's scheduled to play right now. Once this save is applied, you will see the difference in your content. So let's go back to my home page. Yep, and there's our new app right there. We'll get even more in depth in playouts in the next video, but for right now, thanks a lot for watching.